GarageUp is a home improvement and renovation franchise specializing in premium garage upgrades and transformations. The brand provides a full range of services designed to enhance garage functionality, storage, and overall property value. Franchise owners operate a service-based business delivering garage door replacement, flooring systems, storage solutions, lighting, and full garage renovation services. Owners manage customer consultations, project coordination, team operations, and local marketing while following established systems and service standards. Revenue is generated through installation services, renovation projects, and add-on upgrades that support high-value transactions and repeat customer referrals. The model supports multiple service lines, scalable operations, and consistent demand within the home improvement sector. Franchisees benefit from established branding, marketing support, and operational systems designed for long-term growth. This is an owner-operated home services franchise supported by structured onboarding and ongoing coaching. Franchise owners receive online and in-person training, launch support, and continued guidance from the GarageUp support team. The initial total investment is $129,250. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Garage up to your top picks and request the info pack today.